Hey, what's up everybody? It's Scott Rayleigh here. I made it to this mountain bluff cliffside near Santa Barbara, California. And I'm gonna fly my drone today out here. It's been a while since I've gotten some footage, and so I kind of drove a little bit to get to this special, amazing spot. So I'm hiking along the trails here, and I'm gonna get down to the bluffs. And you know what's next? I'm gonna take off and get some amazing footage. I'm hoping there's some whales or dolphins out here, and it's just awesome. I mean, come on guys, wouldn't you want to be here hanging out with me? Get some drone flights in, go a couple miles out, go see what we can find. Awesome, right? What's up guys? This is cool. I'm stoked. Definitely lots of wildlife out here. It's beautiful and it's really clear, so that's what I like. It's no Los Angeles, fumes everywhere and smog. It's really clear, it smells fresh, it's awesome out here. So guys, once I get some video footage up, I'll make sure to share it with you. Oh look, there's a big trail here. So I'll just keep looking for the little trail that goes out to the ocean, and once I find it, that's where I'm gonna calibrate my compass on my drone and take off.
When I met you in the summer, so my heart beat down. We fell in love as the leaves turn brown. And we could be together, baby, long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer, so my heart beat down. We fell in love as the leaves turned brown.
As I go to anywhere I flow, sometimes I believe, at times I'm rational. I can fly high, I can go low. Today I got a million, tomorrow I don't know. Decisions as I go to anywhere I flow. Sometimes I believe, at times I'm rational. I can fly high,